Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, I'm right back at you with another project review, and this time around I am reviewing an LED reading light from a company called iVict. And of course I would like to thank iVict for sending this LED reading light out for us to review. So, let's go and get at it. Well folks, we're at the part of the video where we're going to unbox this item from the box itself and see what it looks like. So, let's see what this LED looks like. This light looks like. So, unbox it. Okay. Oh, okay, I can take it out this way. Oh, okay. Okay, you got your box here. Okay, so I believe this is the LED light itself. Okay, it's packaged in this wrap. Alright. I'm going to take that out for a moment. I'm just seeing what's the contents of the box right now. And, okay, that's a warranty card right there. And, okay, and of course this is the user's manual right here. Which is cool, alright. Tells you how to operate the light. Okay, so according to this, it's got a brightness control, changing color, tone control, and an on and off switch. Okay, we're definitely going to be testing that out shortly. Alright, and that's it. Now, the light itself, I'm basically going to unravel it from this package here. See what it actually looks like. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Oh, okay, let's take this wrap off of here. Okay, that's the light here itself right here. Okay. When they wrapped this up, they wrapped this up really good. Oh my goodness. Alright. And now I'll take it off from this point here. Okay, so basically it's an LED light. Got your light head there, and of course you got this clip right here. You can clip onto almost anything to hold the light steady. Ooh, and it's not no. Ooh, this clip is really strong. Oh, this will hold on to something big time. All right. And of course you got the gooseneck here. You can adjust it any way you want. Turn the light around. Hold on. Let me get this right. Alright, there we go. You basically can adjust it any way you want. And it's pretty long. I see. And the neck is not weak either. You really gotta move it, which means it will stay in position no matter where you clip it on at. So that's good. And okay, and of course those are the light controls right here. We're going to be testing those out shortly. And of course you got a USB plug that plugs into a 5-volt source, be it a computer, laptop, or you have a spare 5-volt adapter that has a USB thing in it. Plug this into that. That'll power the light also. So we're definitely going to be testing that feature out. And as also you notice, no adapter comes with this. But that's not a bad thing. You can use any 5-volt adapter to power this. So that's good. So the next thing we're going to do is basically try out this light. I'm actually going to hook it up. As a matter of fact, I should hook it up right now. Let's do that right now. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip it to this desk. You know what? I don't even have the camera in the right place. So, hold on just a moment. We'll go right to this part where we can actually see the light. Okay folks, now we got a better view of how to clip this light onto any desk that you want. So we're gonna clip it on here now. You know, first I'm gonna clip the light on itself. There we go. I think that's cool. All right. Now I'm going to purposely turn off the extra lighting I got in here so you can get a fair view of what the light actually looks like. So I'll do that now. Alright. Now right now it's daylight. The sun is coming in and everything. And I'm going to use this as an example of what you might be reading on your lamp light. So what I'm going to do now is going to plug this plug into my computer USB port. So I'm doing that right now. Now first thing I noticed when I did that, I think if you can see it. Yes, this blue just came on. You might can see it. It just lit up the controls on here. So I'm gonna play with it. And let me read the manual just for a quick second. Da 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 da. Okay. All right. So let's play with the light. Ooh. Check that out, folks. This is no joke. All right. You can turn it on, turn it off. Now what I'm going to do is play with the brightness settings. I'm just making it a little brighter. It's got 10 brightness settings on this, from what I understand from the manual just there. According to the website that sells this. Yep, there it is. The 10 settings. You also can change the color by pressing this button in the middle. So right now, this is a setting where what we call daylight. So right now we got the daylight setting going on here, which looks just like daylight. I'm gonna check out, play with the settings on that. That's the brightness right there. See, and now put it back up. Now I'm going to hit another control. Hit the middle button again, and it changes to what I would like to call soft light, which is basically like the light you have that comes from your regular light bulbs, not the LED light bulbs, but the like your regular regular light bulbs you screw in, old time light bulbs. That's basically the color I'm looking at right now. So and you probably can see it too. So you can play with this. That also has different settings. Now, it has a third setting also, which combines both, which I'm about to hit now. Oh, actually, that's the one we was on the first time when we turned this on. So this is the setting we had going on, which has the soft light going on and the daylight light going on. So that's cool. And of course, it's adjustable. And of course, when you're done with the light, hit the switch down here, and it's done. As a matter of fact, to give you a real good perspective about what the light color looks like, I'm going to purposely turn it around like this, so you can actually see the colors that I was talking about. Alright, I'm going to turn the light on again. Alright, that's both the soft light and the LED daylight function going on right now. I'm gonna dim it down so you can actually see it, because I know it's probably brightening out the camera right now. There we go. I think you can see it now. So that's it right there. So now what I'm going to do is change to another mode. Alright, that's the daylight. That's the daylight mode. Another function. That's the soft light mode. And then when you hit the middle button again, you get both. So that's cool. So the next clip, what we're going to do is try it out in another setting and see what it looks like. Okay folks, I also wanted to add this little tidbit about this light. This particular light also has a timer on it. And basically how you activate that timer is basically you would press down on the power switches, which is down here, for like 2 seconds, and it should start blinking. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you it blinking now. I'm going to zoom in on that. Now, when it's blinking, that means the timer will turn the light off in a minute. So the light will go off in a minute after you activate that timer. So, I'm going to back up here and get a few view of the light going out, which should be pretty much any moment now. It's a nice feature, you know, just in case you like only going to use the light for about a minute and you don't expect to leave the light on too long. You just hit it for a minute and just do what you need to do. Read everything you got to read, and then the light will just go off after, you know, after a minute. So there you go. Light going off, and as you notice also, when the light goes off, the light goes back into pretty much standby mode for you to turn it back on again, which I'm going to do now. And there you go. So let's return to our regular scheduled programming. Alright folks, well, this is the other setting I wanted to try out. And basically all you do is hook up to any table, like so. You know, just basically use the clamp, hook up to any table, like so. It stays there. You know, angle your light over what you get ready to read. And remember earlier I was saying that you can hook it up to any 5-volt adapter? Yep, that's why I hooked this up. I just found a random 5-volt adapter around here and I hooked up to this. So let's hook up to that. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Okay, so now I'm going to turn my light on. Ooh, check that out. It's pretty bright. And I think I'm gonna play with the brightness settings. So that's pretty good. Even in bright light in your room, it's still good to have this light to read what you need to read, and it's pretty good. You can definitely do some real good reading with this. And of course you can change different color settings on it, like so. So, in the next scene, we're going to try another environment with this light. Hello folks. First of all, there is nothing wrong with the video you're seeing. The only reason you see darkness like this is because I chose a location where it was totally dark in here. And that is my bathroom. So I wanted to demonstrate the brightness features of this light in another setting, and it occurred to me that the best way to do it was to actually put the light in front of the camera, shoot the video through the lamp so you can actually see the brightness of this camera. So what I'm going to do now, as a matter of fact, the only thing that's lit up in this room at this moment other than the camera is the controls to the reading light itself. And that's the only thing I can see blue. That's the only thing I'm seeing in here. So I'm going to push the button. Here we are. Hi. Oop. Let me adjust that. Didn't mean to. That's the ring of the lamp, by the way, that you saw there. Well, as you can see, It is pretty bright in here. The light itself is really bright. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play with the dimmer settings and see what it looks like. So I'm dimming it down now. Okay. I think that's the lowest setting right there. And now I'm going to dim it back up again. Right now I got it on the soft light mode, the one I showed you earlier. So I'm playing with this now, and I'm going to put it on this brightest setting, and that's the, ooh, wow, all the way at 10 right now. So now what I'm going to do next is change it to daylight. Okay, that's the light, that's both the daylight and the soft light together right now. Let's play with that setting. See what that looks like. Okay, that looks pretty good. Love it. Alright, so now I'm going to turn it to, oh, I just turned it to just the daylight setting. And now I'm going to put it back up again. And as you notice, the daylight setting is really, really bright. Really, really bright. So that's cool. You know, you definitely can do some stuff with this, including apparently shooting selfies. So this is a pretty good light, so folks. This is a pretty good light. As a matter of fact, I like this light so much, I'm going to provide an Amazon link in the link below, so you can try it and, you know, go and get it yourself. And you know, if it's this good, it's a great reading light, and you know, it's really good. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.